back to my channel, Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I am designing my way through life. I just wrapped up filming this vlog for you guys on this gorgeous balloon floral hoop, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Before I jump into today's vlog, I want to let you know, I'm sure you saw it in the title of this video, this is a giveaway vlog. I will be getting 2 kits to you guys that I used in today's video from Shimmer and Confetti. They're going to send out 2 kits to 2 of you guys. All you have to do is make sure you're following my YouTube channel, give this video a big thumbs up, comment your Instagram handle down below, and make sure you're following me on Instagram, because when I do the winner, I will announce it on the next vlog as well as on my Instagram page, and I will message you to get your mailing information so that they can send out you your own kit so that you can give balloon garlands a try. They have everything that you need to do a balloon garland inside of this kit, and I'm so excited to show you what's inside. So just stay tuned and you'll see how you can also make this magic. And if you are interested in purchasing one of these kits, I will have it linked down in the description box below for you guys to purchase everything used in this vlog. And this is my second box. I actually got 2 boxes because I was not sure how many I was going to need to do this arch that I'm going to be doing, or hoop that I'm going to be doing for you guys today. But as you can see, I have 4 different packs of balloons that I'm going to be using potentially. And then they also provide you with a hand pump. As you guys know, I typically use my regular balloon pump. So what I'm loving about this Shimmer and Confetti packaging is that I know I get tons of questions from you guys about the number of balloons I'm using, the different sizes. Shimmer Confetti packaging already has the different sizes broke down that you'll need to complete your balloon garland. So it has a variation of 5-inch, 12-inch, 36, 30-inch, 16 inches, depending on the garland that you choose to purchase from them. So everything is already pre-packaged, so you don't have to worry about that. How great is that? All right, guys, so I'm gonna open up my first packaging so that I can get started on blowing them up. And inside of the pack is where you will find a spool of glue dots. Then you have a spool of the balloon garland ribbon. Basically it has holes in it, and you use that to stick the knots in from your balloons. Probably not gonna use this. I might do this, actually I'll do a separate vlog on this one. I don't need it for what I'm gonna do with this hoop. So I may do a separate vlog for beginners to show you guys how to use this, because they did send me another balloon garland kit. So that's what I'll do. I'll use this for the second balloon garland kit that they sent me. And then they also give you some ribbon on a spool. And then she did let me know that the newer kits that they're starting to send out will have fishing line in them. So that's what I use most of the time, is fishing line or balloon ribbon to do my garlands. So just FYI for you guys if you were interested in purchasing the Shimmer and Confetti balloon kit. So I'm gonna get you guys propped up in a good area, and I'm gonna get started with blowing up my balloons. And if you guys are not familiar, somebody spotted it in the background of one of my last vlogs. This is my hoop that I am going to be using to make this structure, and I will have it linked up in the description box below, as well as where you can purchase your Shimmer and Confetti balloons from. I'll have this linked in the description box for you guys too if you've never seen me use this before. This is my balloon pump. So I just finished blowing up the first out of the 2 packs that came in the box, and it primarily had all of my 5-inch balloons in there. I had 5, oh my hands, the balloons give you so much powder. And it had the gold confetti, 5 of those, and then it also had 6 of these larger, it looks like about 16-inch balloons, I think. But there was a peach one in there, but when I blew it up there were holes, so I can't use this one because it'll burst. But this is what was in my first pack, and so now I'm going to blow up the second pack and show you guys what's in there. Alright guys, so I just wrapped up my second pack. It was actually all 11, 12-inch balloons, and they are all here. As you know, that is the bulk of your balloon garland, and the smaller and larger ones are kind of used for fillers and to give the garland some dimension. So I do have another 2 packs of these colors that I want to use on my hoop, but I'm going to start off with these to see how many I need because I don't want to blow them all up. So I just wanted to let you know that I did love the quality of the balloons. They weren't hard, they were soft, they blew up easily. It was easy for them to tie, wrap around my finger, because I do all of the tying by hands. I don't use the balloon tire contraption. I do everything by hand. These balloons were super easy to tie and I love them. So I'm either gonna do a balloon garland. You've seen my tutorials on those a million times. So I'm either gonna do a balloon garland or I'm going to tie them in quads, which I think I may work out good for this. Either way it'll work, but decisions. All right guys, so I am back, and as I said before, I was trying to make a decision on whether I wanted to actually build a balloon garland and attach it that way, or if I wanted to do quads. I think I'm gonna try the quads and see how that turns out. And basically what you do is you tie your balloons into dupes, which is 2 balloons. You tie them at this part in the center, and then you basically take a second pair and all you're doing is twisting them into groups of 4. I'm gonna do a couple of these and then I'm going to attach them to my hoop to see how I like that, and I'm gonna be back with you guys. All right guys, so I am back and I have actually moved you guys over into the dining room. I moved also all of my balloons that you can see down here. They are now in the different groups of 4s. And I'm going to adhere them to the hoop, which is right here. I figured you guys will be able to see it good against the boxwood hedge. And if you haven't seen my boxwood hedge videos on actually how to hang and put these together, I will link that in the description box for you guys to check out if you were interested in purchasing that as well. It's taller than the boxwood hedge, and that's 8 feet. So this hoop is pretty much an 8-foot circle. So I'm gonna get started with adhering it, and I'm gonna start down here on the bottom section and dead in the center. That way I'll know if I need to blow up an entire pack, because I do have 2 more, another set of this these balloons here that I can do to finish the look. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. And keep in mind, this is my first time doing this. I have never done this before. I'm just experimenting, and you know, guys know I always bring you guys along for the ride. So I have my first quad. It's 4 balloons, and I want to distribute. I did go ahead and tie my bigger balloons with my 12-inch balloons, and I'm gonna try to distribute them evenly. So I'm gonna start down here. I'm gonna get this one to go around, and when you're, can you guys see that? And when you're attaching this to there, all you're doing is taking one and crossing it over the other, like that, and then it's attached. And then you just wanna keep going. So I'll take another set and push it as close as I can. And then I'm going to, I'm trying to do it and let y'all see at the same time. Alright, so I really want the rose gold to show some, so I'm gonna try to get it to show on the next set. Take it, push it down as far as I can get it, and then just kind of overlap the balloons. Another set here. I want the peach to show more, so I'm gonna do it like this, and then push it down and cross them over. So this is what it is looking like up close. I'm just overlapping the quads onto each other, and as you can see, there are a few gaps in areas, but that's what my 5-inch balloons that I have at the end are gonna be for. And so what I'm gonna do now is just keep going around until I stop, and then I will check back in with you guys. Alright guys, so I am back, and I did manage to get to the tip top. So I am directly halfway down on both ends, the top and bottom. But wanted to show you guys what I have so far. So what I'm about to do now is take all of my 5-inch balloons and the few that I have left over and just basically fill in gaps all on this half. I'm still undecided if I want to do the other half or not for you guys. But yeah. Alright guys, so I'm back. I have my glue strip and pretty much, there it goes. So these are the glue dots, and it's basically individual pieces of glue dots. So I'm just gonna use them and place them on my 5-inch balloons and adhere them to the balloons back here. And you don't want to avoid touching it because that takes away and adds oil and things from your fingers. I get the best results typically when I don't do that, but last time I had trouble with them. So I'm gonna try these out and see if that works. If not, a low temperature hot glue gun will also do the trick for getting your balloons on there. So I'm gonna start off with the rose gold, and I'm gonna start off down here. So I just basically like to take my balloon and then I figure out where I'm gonna place it exactly. So I'm gonna place the first glue dot on the butt of this balloon and pull it off. It looks like I got quite a few of them on there, as you can see. And then I'm going to push it in and stick it where I want it to go. And I'm gonna just keep doing that. I'm picking up too many of them, but it'll get the job done either way. And I'm just gonna keep doing that until I get the balloons how I want them to look. And when you're doing this, you wanna try to look at the larger balloons that are around the color you're placing on there so that you get a good variety of the balloons on there, if that makes sense to you guys. So I'm gonna get that done and I will check back in with you guys shortly. And just so you guys can have a little bit more clarification about this hoop and exactly how you would transport it if you did decide to purchase it, it comes in about 6 pieces. This piece starts here and it goes all the way around to where that notch is. On the back of here, you attach it with these. You basically, all right, so it has these notches that are on the back. So what you do is you put the top piece into the bottom piece right here where it's splitting at. And then after that, you just basically screw this in to tighten it up. And it's in 6 pieces. They have it in gold, white, and black, I believe. But I will link it in the description box for you guys. All right, so update, I finished adding in all of my 5-inch balloons around, and I did end up taking those 3 extra quads that I have and placing them down here on the bottom. I'm thinking I want to do one of the big ones at the top, so I may take another one, 4 balloons out of my pack that I haven't used to actually do a bigger one at the top to make it a little, it just doesn't seem as symmetrical as I want it to. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then over here, I have it coming all the way around, and those 5-inch balloons definitely make a difference. I did use the glue dots for all of these. I didn't have to use my hot glue gun, which was awesome. And so yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do a big one over on this side to make it a little more symmetrical. And then I will also be adding in some flowers. So yeah. And again, this entire setup so far has been done using one order of the Shimmer and Confetti balloon garland kit. And I am loving how it came out. Comment below and let me know what you guys are thinking at this point. I really do love it. There, you guys can see, but the chandelier is in the way slightly, but you have a good view of it. I'm probably gonna have to move this into another room again, guys, so that way I'll be able to get a good photo for the cover and the chandelier won't be in the way. All right guys, so we changed locations once again, and so what I'm gonna do is finish decorating my hoop, which I have now moved into the living room. It actually goes all the way up to the ceiling. And I have these roses. You probably remember these from the floral, what did I call it? Floral baby nursery wall art piece that I did on my vlog. If you haven't seen that, you should definitely check that out. Then I also have a box full of hydrangeas that I ordered. And I'm gonna use those to continue to fill in, oh, I got a balloon over there. I'm gonna use those to continue to fill in gaps, as well as possibly do something super cute on this bar here. Alright guys, so in an effort not to drag this vlog into 20 minutes, I am going to go ahead and stop here. On part 2, you're going to see me finish this part right here. I'm going to flood it with flowers that I showed you guys earlier. But for now, I hope that you guys were able to find this vlog useful. And I'm going to give you guys a quick close-up with the flowers on there. And then I'm going to bring it to an end. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.